Always do the right whenever no one is watching. दोस्तों इसके बारे में सुना तो होगा आपको. This is the thing which they tell us when we join a company, और यही बताई जाती है बात कि act with integrity, and integrity is to choose the right, not the wrong. So आपको थंबनेल से पता चल ही गया होगा कि आज हम किस बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं. So ये बात है CEO की, एंडी ब्राउन की, जिन्होंने राइट ना चूज़ कर रॉन्ग चूज़ किया, और उस रॉन्ग की वजह से उनकी लाइफ चेंज हो गई. बहुत गलत तरीके से उनकी लाइफ चेंज हो गई. ना ही सिर्फ उनको अपनी जॉब छोड़नी पड़ी, बल्कि उनकी वाइफ ने उनको छोड़ दिया, उनके बच्चों ने उनको छोड़ दिया, एंड ही इज़ लेफ्ट विथ नथिंग नाउ. तो चलिए आज थोड़ा डिस्कस करते हैं कि वाई इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू कीप आवर कर्मास राइट. Very recently, on 16th July, Andy Braun thought to attend a concert of Chris Martin, who's a very popular musician. It was a Coldplay concert. So Andy Braun went there with the HR head whose name was Christian Cabot, and they were enjoying the concert, hugging each other. Now suddenly there is a camera. Kiss cam is the kind of camera जो revolve होता है सारे concert में, and it spotlights the people who are enjoying the most, and तब ये उनको बड़ी screen पे दिखाया जाता है. So suddenly Christian Cabot realized that they are on the big screen, and the public is watching them. That was the embarrassing moment for her. She just took a back on the camera. She hid her face, and Andy Braun sat down in a squat position to hide himself. So this awkwardness made the people more eager that why they are hiding themselves. जबकि और लोग कैमरा में आने के लिए देखिए, ये है एंडी ब्राउन. ही इज़ द चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर ऑफ अ वेरी बिग कंपनी कॉल्ड एस्ट्रोनॉमर. So people get opportunity to come on the camera on the big screen. They do the hooting, they enjoy, they come on the spotlight. But why they were so afraid? They had very different reactions. This is the reason, my dear friends, because both of them were having different spouses and were married and having family. Meghan Kerrigan is the wife of Andy Braun, and the lady who was with him was not his wife, but the HR head, people's head in the same company, Astronomer, and her name is Christian Cabot. So his wife Meghan, when watched this, was very upset. This is his wife, and then she wrote a few things on the Facebook to make this clear that she's no more with him. And she has also dropped his surname. She's no more Megan Braun, but she has become Megan Kerrigan. So these are the sites which she has written, maybe to relieve herself. But you guys can understand that कितना ही मुश्किल टाइम होगा, कितना टफ टाइम होगा. और ये पिक्चर है क्रिश्चियन कैबॉट की, जो भी आपने देखी, जो HR हेड थी, जो ये फिर से मैंने कैमरा में फ्लैश करी है, स्क्रीन पे फ्लैश, ये देखिए. सो क्रिश्चियन कैबॉट भी मैरिड हैं, इनके भी 2 बच्चे हैं. आई डोंट नो हाउ द टाइम विल बी राइट नाउ विद बोथ द फैमिलीज, बट मस्ट बी वेरी टफ सिचुएशन because Andy has to leave his job and his wife has left him.